everyone, welcome back to your favorite and Shish cooking channel, House of Delicious and Spices. So today we are going to see the preparation of the most delicious Andra Special Pacchi Majjiga. It is one of the perfect combination with Ragi Ball and rice. So let's get into the preparation. So initially we are going to make a chutney for the Pacchi Majjiga. In a mixie jar, add the roasted peanut of around 50 grams, roasted chilies of 10, Bengal grams of 25 grams, garlic cloves of 7, onion of around 2 teaspoons, crystal salt as per your taste, half shell of grated coconut and a pinch of turmeric powder. We must add water and grind up to 30 seconds. So now we can see this is coarsely grinded, hence add water again and grind up to 1 minute till we get a smooth texture. So now chutney for Pacchi Majjiga is ready. In a container add Pacchi Majjiga chutney of around 4 tablespoons. We can store this chutney in a refrigerator and Pacchi Majjiga can be prepared anytime. So let's mix the curd of around 250 ml with this chutney. So now add around 2 teaspoons of onion and mix this well. So lastly add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and give a complete mix. So the delicious mouth-watering Pacchi Majjiga is ready. So that is about today's episode Pacchi Majjiga. Try this recipe today in your home and share your feedback via comment section. Please do subscribe to our channel and share the video. Stay tuned and stay connected only with your favorite and Shish cooking channel, House of Delicious and Spices.